This is Tuba Kızılkan here, MindMap AI V2. I recently tested MindMap AI version 2, and the most noticeable improvement for me is stability. The new incremental AI expansion means that when the AI develops a branch, my manual edits stay intact. That alone makes a big difference for professional workflows. The new thinking mode feels more accurate and controlled, especially when you want to expand ideas step by step, instead of generating everything at once. I also appreciate the ability to switch between MindMap, org chart, and logic chart. This is very practical when moving from ideation to structure and decision making. Overall, version 2 already works well for brainstorming, planning, and early-stage structuring. With continued development in visuals, exports, and advanced workflows, it has strong potential to become a daily tool for professionals. Thank you to the MindMap AI team for the thoughtful improvements.